This commercial buns recipe, can you tell that I did not add butter? It looks so rich, it looks so appealing. Let's get started. If you want to make loads of profit selling commercial buns, this is the recipe you should be going for because you do not need to add butter to this recipe. Yes, adding your flour into a bowl. I use 1 kg of flour, adding your sugar, your salt, your baking powder. Then we are using vegetable oil instead of butter. At the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you how many buns recipe we got from this recipe, and I'm going to be giving you ingredients and measurements up to 2 kg of flour because I use 1 kg of flour for this recipe, so you can try your hands on this recipe. Then of course, I'm going to be linking a video at the end screen that gives detailed ingredients and measurements for Nigerian commercial buns up to 5 kg of flour. So you want to click on that video at the end screen so that you can get these ingredients and measurements for yourself to try your hands on. Mix all your ingredients together. Go on now to add in your water in little bits. I usually advise 2 cups for 1 kg of flour, but you can go between 2 cups to 2.5 cups. You do not want to add too much water because your batter will become too light. Then when you start frying your buns will start absorbing too much oil. Once you mix your batter like so, at this stage, start heating up your oil and get ready to fry. We are frying on consistently medium heat. If this is your first time of stopping by Debbie's Kitchen, you're so welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. And if you have watched till this point and you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, do subscribe, do like and share, do comment. Tell me what you think about this commercial buns recipe. Yes, it looks so good. I advise that you fry on a fry pan, a wide pan that has some level of depth. This way you can fry so much buns at a time and it is easy for you to flip your buns without any struggles. Now I'm going to stir continuously until I have this appealing golden brown look. I use nutmeg for this recipe. You can add milk flavor if you want to take your buns a step further and make your buns irresistible. You can make loads of profit selling this Nigerian buns recipe because of course you did not need to add too many ingredients. Just 1 egg to 1 kg of flour will give your bones an appealing look. Adding milk flavor will make your bones irresistible. Your customers will love it. You will make loads of profits, and of course, you won't stress yourself, especially these days that things are getting more expensive by the day. Now, here are the list of ingredients for 2 kg of flour for you to try your hands on. You can go through it and comment in the comment section if you're going to be trying out this bones recipe. Check out the end screen where I showed ingredients and measurements for your buns recipe. If you say, Madam, see, I want the buns recipe that they add butter, then this video at the end screen is what you should be watching now. Bye.